CHOWDHREE'S Tech. Subscribe our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. Today I will show you how to create an Apple ID. At first go to your browser and type create Apple ID. Then you will see this page, Apple ID create. Click on it. A new page is appearing here and you have to enter your full details on this page. You have to enter your name, your date of birth, your country, your password and your email address. You have to select a password which is not a part of your name or your email. Mainly the password have to minimum 8 alphanumeric characters, at least one numerical character and one uppercase character and mix of lowercase characters on your password. You have to select your country code and your mobile number. After entering your mobile number, you have to select text message or phone call to verify your phone. Now enter the captcha code seen on this page, on this field. Then this page will redirect on another page. Wait until then. Now you have to put your code which you got on your email address. Then next, and then you have got a message with code number on your cell phone. Put here and then click next. Wait until another page. Your Apple ID creation is complete. Now you can set up your account setting, security, payment and billing. Most important part of the payment and billing section, you have to enter your billing address and a mobile number. Then your Apple ID will verified and active.